If you click this video thinking, I'm just a teen, I've got like 100 bucks. What investing advice could even help me? Congrats! You're already smarter than 90% of people your age. But before we start, step 1. Get a haircut. Seriously, confidence is part of the investment too. Whether you're Gen Z, a confused millennial, or a parent stalking your kid's YouTube history at 3 a.m., you've come to the right place. Because today, we're unlocking the real cheat codes for money and success. Think of life like a giant video game. You don't choose your character, your family, your stats, your luck, all random. But you do control how you play. If you explore the world, learn from mentors, and level up your skills, the game gets easier. But most people quit too early because they forget. Life's a long game. If you've got just $100, don't throw it in the stock market yet. That won't make you rich, but investing in your skills will. Buy a course. Learn editing. Learn design. Learn how to sell. Those are the real upgrades that make you powerful. And if you don't have money, cool. Use your other currency. Time. That's how you level up without spending a coin. Reading sounds boring, but some books are real cheat codes for success. Start with The Simple Path to Wealth, I Will Teach You to Be Rich, and maybe Harry Potter, because persistence and imagination matter too. When you hit 15 or 16, get your first job or part-time gig. It's not just about money, it's about learning the value of time. When I got my first paycheck, I realized a $60,000 car wasn't cheap. It was basically a lifetime of flipping burgers. That's when I stopped asking for money and started respecting it. Your teen years are the perfect time to try everything. Start YouTube, try photography, learn to cook, code, draw whatever. One of those side quests will unlock your master skill. That one ability that's fun and valuable, that's your real superpower. When you turn 18, welcome to adulthood. The real main quest begins. Step 1. Get a bank account. Pick one that pays decent interest. Let your money grow while you sleep. Step 2. Get a credit card. Not to flex, but to build credit. Keep usage below 30%, pay bills on time, and your score levels up fast. Step 3. Open a Roth IRA. That's your future millionaire mode. You pay taxes now, but your money grows tax-free forever. Start early, and compound interest will literally make time your best friend. Once you've unlocked those systems, it's time for habits. The real endgame. Track your expenses, use apps like Mint or write it down. Take care of your body. Health is wealth, literally. Be frugal, not cheap. Enjoy life, but don't burn cash for clout. If you can master these, you'll win this game faster than anyone else. So if you're watching this and you're still a teenager, congrats. You're already ahead of most people. Start small, learn fast, stack your skills, invest early. And remember, you can't control your starting stats, but you can control how you play the game. Now go level up and enjoy every level in between.